Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable animations on your Android smartphone device. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy or a Google Pixel phone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings button. And now you want to go and select the accessibility tile. So go ahead and scroll down and select that. And now you want to go underneath display and select where it says color and motion. And now underneath experimental, remove animations, reduce movement on the screen. You can toggle that on by clicking inside the oval one time. Otherwise, you can disable it by clicking inside the oval again, moving it to the left, and it would be grayed out. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.